Hi, I'm at the Silly Goat Cafe in Broken Hill, New South Wales, and we're going to have a little chat about grinding coffee. Have you ever noticed that most cafes will grind their coffee just before they put it into their espresso machine? This is to try and limit a reaction called oxidation, which is in fact the same reaction that causes metal to rust. When you grind the coffee, you break open the coffee bean and you expose the inside, creating lots of surface area. This is really good to expose all the molecules inside the coffee bean to the water, and that way you can get all the flavours into your cup. But at the same time, you expose all of those molecules to the air. Inside air there is oxygen gas, which is very reactive and wants to change those molecules. What appears to be only a subtle change, but in fact to our taste buds is a huge difference. You may notice the difference in taste being a little bit dull or flat without it having the same kind of bite or interesting flavours. Grinding your coffee fresh is the best way to reduce the amount of oxidation before the coffee gets into your cup. But sometimes you may not have access to a grinder right when you want to make your coffee. In this case, you can limit the amount of oxidation that occurs by putting the ground coffee inside a sealed container. However, this can cause another problem. Roasted coffee releases another type of gas called carbon dioxide, the same gas that you and I breathe out. If you put roasted coffee straight into a sealed container, you may notice over time that the container will start to swell and maybe even burst. That's why commercial packets of ground coffee inside supermarkets have a special valve on them that let the gases out but don't let any oxygen or water in. Oxidation occurs in coffee that you've already made as well, and if you've ever had to resort to reheating your coffee after you've made it, you might notice a change in the flavour. That change in flavour is partly due to oxidation. Make sure to subscribe to catch the next sip of science all about coffee.